It's taken me 2 days and nearly 500 lines of code, but I built an ECU. So those are trailing and leading for each rotor, so the two pairs. At the moment it's simulating 1000 RPM. I've got this little screen, you can see 1000 RPM. My advanced tables are moving, how much my trailing, my dwell, and then I've got a little bit of code that can like basically miss a spark event to give you like fake BRAP, and then I've got this that speeds up with the RPM little. It's only an OLED display, so got this little Doritos spinning that gets faster as it goes faster. If you pull the ground, it kills the engine. Got rev limiter. Fuck yeah.